Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah, and welcome to my another new video of Replo Masterclass. I forgot to upload more videos about Replo Masterclass, and I uploaded nearly 8 videos of Replo Masterclass 2024. In this video, I will show you the Replo Masterclass part 9. And if you are not new in my channel, you know that I have already designed a landing page or home page. So I will clone this on Replo page builder. If you are new, so I am recommending or suggesting you to at first watch this 8 videos to so it will be easier to you to understand the Replo components or Replo design or Replo the Replo options, how to organize them, how to design this section. So I have already discussed in this 8 videos. So if you are new, so at first I recommend you to watch these videos. So in this video I will show you that how to design this image with text section in Replo page builder with responsiveness, mobile responsiveness. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So if you are new to my channel and if you are enjoying this video, so please hit the subscribe button and please hit the like button also. So, and if you have any queries or question about WordPress, Shopify, Wix, or anything about freelancing, about outsourcing, you can ask me in the comment section below. And you can there are many links. My Facebook page, my Instagram ID, my Behance link. You can follow me up there. Okay. And if you have any, if you want to collaborate with me, you can collaborate with me. There is my Gmail I have added. You can see. Okay.
If you want to download Replo just for free, so go to the description box of this video and you can see that there is a Replo sign up link. Just copy that and go to a browser or tab, just paste it and sign up with your Gmail or email or Hotmail. Just sign up and enjoy Replo for free.
Okay, so we are now on our Replo Masterclass page. So at first, what we have to do, that there is a 2 column, one section, 1 row, and 2 column, and there is an image here, and in the right side there is an image, and in the left side, on the left side there is a heading, and there is a p tag, paragraph, and then there is a button. So at first, what we have to do, let's see the section width what we have taken. It is 13,000 pixel. Okay, 1300, sorry, not 13,000, it's 1300. Okay, 1,300 pixels. So at first, let's go to component. Let's take a section. Sorry, not here. Let's go to basic, and after that we have to take a container under this section. Then okay, it's not we will not do anything in this section. We can do a padding. Okay, let's give it a 60 pixel padding, and after that also we can check that there is a, they have given, I have given it a 70. Okay, let's go with 70 pixel padding. Okay, 70 pixel padding. After that, we have to go to again in the component section and have to take another component in this section, and we have to make it 1300 pixels. Sorry, and okay, it's perfect now. So after that, we have to make this. Click on this and make it columns, and make it 2 columns. Click on this. Okay, now it's perfectly divided into 2 columns and 50% sharing. Okay, 50% width. Now there is a heading and there is an image. At first, let's take a let's copy the image address. Click on this image, and I'm just copying this image address. So let's go to components and basic image. Drag this. Select image from URL, Control V. Sorry, it's not copied. Okay, insert image. So it's taking it perfectly. Okay, so if we see that there is no padding under this section. So what if we want to do, so we have to reduce the padding from here, I mean the above section, and also from this section stop padding we have to remove the padding, so we can do this easily. So if we see that there is the padding here, okay, now it's perfect. Carousel, okay, now look, it's quite similar like this. I'm just change the active color to red. Okay, so it's now perfect. So now what we need a heading. So let's just duplicate this, or I am showing you from sketch, don't worry. So just go to component, go, sorry, so go to basic, take a heading. I'm just taking heading 3. Sorry. Okay, now what we have to do, we can take another column or component in this, so it will be better. Drag this component and go to layers. Let's see container. This is image and this container. Under this container there is another container. Okay, so we can give it a padding, like how much padding here. I have given nothing padding, so we can give a padding. Okay, uh, 20, 20, 20, and 20 pixel padding. So, okay, so it will be perfectly done. So then go to component, then go to basic, then take a heading in this component. Okay, so what's the heading size here? Let's check out from here. Okay, 40 pixel, 42 pixel. Okay, now the font will be no to sans. The weight will be extra bold or black. Okay, extra black, I think. Yes, sorry, black, only black. Color will be, text color will be black. Then uppercase, italic. Okay, so what's the text is here? Our mission. Okay, so let's write this. Our mission. What's the issue here? Okay, I'm facing some issues. Well, let's reload this. Okay, just click on this container and go to left. We are gonna go to with the middle one. Okay, so under this we need a p paragraph. Okay, just go to there and drag a text. Sorry, Ctrl Y. Okay, go to basics, drag a text under this. Okay, let's copy this. Okay, let's duplicate these styles. Style, copy style, these styles. Okay, it's perfect. Let's give it a margin to the heading. Okay, spacing. Okay, 16 pixel margin to the bottom. And underneath this there is a button here, so we have designed already the buttons, so we can just duplicate these buttons. Duplicate. We can, what we can do, okay, we don't need this button here, we can delete this, and we can go to the components, we can go there and let's click a button after this, and after that we can go there and right click on this button and copy styles and paste styles. Okay, and if we see that the button text, what's the okay, the now discover, click on discover now, copy style in the middle text. Okay, now it's perfect, but there is a too much, this button is too much larger, so what we can do, let's see this. Okay, so this is auto layout packed and this is wrap content. So what we have to do, we have to just click on this button and click wrap content, so it will be perfectly aligned. Okay, so discover more, let's change the text. Okay, we are perfectly done. Just let's give a top margin where you can give from the paragraph, top margin of 20 pixels. Why this occurs every time? Okay, we can give it, we can't give that extra spacing. We have mistakenly given from the text, we have to give it from the button. Okay, okay, it's perfectly aligned now. Look, we have successfully designed this section. So what for the mobile, we have to go to just mobile. We have to go to mobile, then click on the parent of this to container. Okay, then click on, look, it's perfectly done. If we see the already designed home page and the section, that the image is under this after the text. So look, now what we have to do, just 4042. Okay, it's also 4042. Let's see the text. Okay, okay, let's load this. Okay, we can decrease or increase the font size from mobile, but it's perfect now. Okay, you don't have to change this. It's 18 pixel, 18 pixel, keep it 18 pixel, or you can keep it to 16 pixel also. So after this, you can also decrease the button size from here, padding. Okay, but I have copied this style, so it is automatically aligned and designed perfectly. So here's how can you design a image with text section in Replo Page Builder. So I have now shown you 9 videos at Replo Masterclass. If you watch perfectly this 9 videos, and there will another video will come, but I don't think okay. So there and their video will be about the carousel section and review section. Okay, and that video will be about the review section. So there's some net issue, so it can be shown. So let's delete this, don't need. So there will be a review section. So if you just watch this 9 to 10 videos, and after that I will upload more videos about Replo, so you will be a pro. So from beginner you will become a pro in Replo Masterclass, I mean Replo page builder. If you know about pagefly gem pages, or if you don't know about pagefly gem pages, don't know perfectly, but you can also design or also learn the Replo. So if you like this video, if you are watching enjoying this video and new in this channel, so I'm requesting to subscribe the channel and hit the subscribe button and follow my channel. Okay, follow my Facebook page, there is some links, you can follow me in Insta social accounts. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.